So I fitted air suspension on my van and that was quite successful. But I've discovered two things. One, I've had the pressure a bit too high. I've been running it at 60. Should be about 30 to 40, but I don't think that's such a massive problem, but I will run it at 40 in future. I've also noticed that sometimes it tends to bounce a little bit, like a pogo stick, and really the dampers should be able to damp that out. The van is 10 years old and it's done 120,000 miles and it's a van. Not that this has ever carried a lot of weight, but it does now. So I decided to change the shock absorbers, and it potentially looks like an easy job. I didn't want just any cheap shock absorbers because they've got a lot of work to do. So I was given the option of Monroe, which is a pretty good name really, been around a long time. So let's get these fitted. So the van is up on a couple of bits of wood because you don't need to jack it up really for this job, and I've got here some specialist penetrating oil I'm going to spray on the threads, and this is specialist penetrating oil because I'm a specialist. And these are long sockets and they're F-tight at the minute. Let's get a spanner on there. I haven't got a 21mm spanner. Being an electrician, I only go up to 13. When we get these off, if they are knackered, maybe, because they'll be slack as a bag of knackers. Right, leave that pin in. Tricky. But it's not the end of the world. Nothing's really tricky on this van. At least you haven't got to break your arm in 3 places to get into places. Copper slip spray. Just give it a bit of a squirt, and then I'm going to fit these with the label facing downwards, so when it goes for its MOT you'll see that I'm a very caring owner, and on a rare occasion I have fitted down here a bit of the old copper slip spray on there. Push that up a bit. Put that in there. Found nut. Just gonna speed this up a bit for myself. There's just not enough room under here for me to turn over. so there we are, all done. Not a bad job at all. And you don't need to jack the van up, as long as you can get under the damn thing. But I'm not going to do a road test as part of this video, because I know 100% it will be better. I can barely pull these out, so the rebound is a hell of a lot better than the old ones. The old ones have done 120,000 miles. So these are the old shock absorbers, and I can move these 2 to 3 times faster than the new ones. So when there's nearly 3 ton yanking on it, see, the new ones I can't pull them up like that. So there you go.